Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take your math class. This is the first math class for the student of class 9 in this year. Okay, and today's topic is, my dear students, today's topic is formula, that is formula discussion, and we will solve some problem from exercise 3.1. Problem number 1, sub question number 1, 6 and 8, and problem number 2, sub question number 1, with the help of the formula actually. Okay, and your lecture number is 1. That means this is the first class. I have said this one before. This is the first math class, and your homework number is 1 also. Now look at the board. This is the chapter 3, and the chapter 3 is about algebraic formula and the algebraic expression also. So we need to know these 5 formula and these 8 corollaries to solve the problem in exercise 3.1. Now look at the formulas. You have already well known about this formula. In the previous classes you have done this formula already in class 6, 7 and 8. Now I am write down this one, so read out first. Its first formula in algebraic expression is a plus b whole square, that's equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. And the second formula is a minus b whole square, that's equal to a square plus minus twice ab. It should be minus twice ab. It should be a square minus twice ab plus b square. With the help of these two formula, we can get 6 corollaries. That means first 6 corollaries we have obtained from this first two formula. The corollaries are, the 6 first corollaries are a square plus b square, that's equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, a square plus b square, that's equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab, and the corollary number 3 is a plus b whole square, that's equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Corollary number 4 is a minus b whole square, that's equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Corollary number 5 is a square plus b square, that's equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square whole over 2. And the last one, that means the 6th one, is ab, that's equal to a plus b whole over 2 whole square minus a minus b whole over 2 whole square. This first 6 corollary we can obtain from the first two formula. Now formula number 3 is a square minus b square, that's equal to a plus b into a minus b. These two expressions, a plus b and a minus b, are multiplied to each other, and we can read out like this: a plus b into a minus b. Formula number 4 is x minus a into x minus b, that's equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The last formula is formula number 5 in this exercise is a plus b plus c whole square, that's equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. This is the extended form of the formula number 1 actually. This is the extended form of the formula number 1 actually. Okay, and from this formula, that is formula number 5, we can obtain corollary number 7 and 8, these two corollaries. That means the corollary number 7 is a square plus b square plus c square, that's equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. And the last one, corollary number 8, is 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, that's equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus a square plus b square plus c square. That's our formulas and the corollaries. This will be helpful to solve all the problems in exercise 3.1. Now I'm going to solve the problem from your exercise 3.1. Problem number 1 will solve only 3 problems. That means sub question number 1, 6 and 8. The question is, find the square with the help of the formula. That means we will use the formula of the square. The first one and the second one are the square formula, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. We will apply these two formula to obtain the square of some expressions. Okay, so look at the board now. The question number 1, activity 1, we will solve now. Okay, question number 1, activity 1, solution is the square of twice a plus thrice b is is equal to square of this one, that means twice a plus thrice b whole square. Now we can assume this one is our a and this one is our b, that means twice a is our a here and thrice b is our b here. Now we can write down the formula of a plus b whole square, and we know the formula is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So the students, our a is twice a here, a square, plus sign twice ab, so 2 into a means twice a here, into b means thrice b, plus b square is 3b square here because 3b is our b here, so 3b whole square. Now we have write down the formula here, a square plus twice a b plus b square. Now we will calculate this one and we will get the answer easily. Now 2a whole square, that means 2 has the square sign, a has also the square sign. So 2 square means 2 multiply 2, it's 4, and a square means a square. Now we will write down this sign. Also you need to multiply this one, this 3 need to multiply each other. That means we will multiply the numeral sign, that means 2 multiply 2 is 4, 4 multiply 3 is 12. That means it will be 12. And the alphabets are also multiplied because alphabets are called the variable. So variable is a and b multiplied, it will be ab. Plus sign it will be now, it's 3b whole square. That means 3 has the square sign and b has also the square sign. 3 square means 3 multiple 3. So 3 3s are 9 and b square means b square. And this is our square of the given expression. So it's our answer for the first question. Question number 6. Now we will solve this one. We need to find out the square of ax minus by minus cz. So what will be the square of this one? In the previous question we had only 2 terms. Now we have 3 terms. That's why we can use our first formula or second formula, or you can use also the third formula. I am going to solve this one, the first formula. It's question number 1, sub question number 6. Solution is the square of ax minus by minus cz is nothing but ax minus by minus cz whole square. Now calculate this one. We are going to apply the second formula. Here we have minus sign, that's why I am going to create this one, a minus b whole square formula. Okay, now my dear students, I am using the second bracket for this first bracket. Okay, now ax minus by, I am consider this ax minus by as our a, and this minus sign cz, I am going to consider this cz as our b. So whole square sign is here. So this is created, the formula is a minus b whole square. And we know the second formula is this one, a minus b whole square means a square minus twice ab plus b square. It's ax minus by whole square because this is our a, okay, a square, minus sign minus 2ab. So 2a means this one, the whole expression is ax minus by. Then it will be b square, sorry, it's twice a b, b means what? B means cz. Now after that it will be our plus sign and b square, b means cz here, whole square. Now look, it's a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will calculate this one. It's very easy calculation, but look, here we have another formula of a minus b whole square because this can assume as a and this one assume as b. So a minus b whole square formula is another here. We will write down this formula again. We will write down a minus b whole square formula is a square minus twice a b plus b square. Look again, this is our a, so a square minus twice a b plus b square. Now this term, it is minus 2 is multiplied with ax and with minus by. So first of all multiply minus 2 with ax, it will be minus 2ax, and is also multiplied with cz, so it will be cz also. Now this minus 2 is multiplied with minus by, it will be minus and minus, it will be plus sign because 2 same sign when multiply, it will be, our result is positive sign. Now minus and minus the same sign, so it will be positive, 2 and by makes 2by, and cz is also multiplied here, so cz. Okay, the last one is cz whole square. It will be c square and z square because square sign is occurs in the both of these terms. Now look, my dear students, is ax square, that means a square x square minus sign for this ax by and 2 it will be, so it's 2. I am arranging the letters, it's a b x y as sequentially, okay, minus twice a b x y. Now it is by whole square means b square y square. Now minus sign, it's 2 ax cz. Now I am going to arrange this one again, the letters I am going to arrange is a c x z, a c x z. Now the last two, it's a b y c z. We can arrange this one also 2 b c y z, and the last one is c square z square. My dear students, this is our square of the given expression, but this is our answer. You can arrange this one also by writing this one at first, this one at second, and this one at third. Then you can arrange twice abxy, twice bcyz, and twice aczx. And you also write down this one as our answer, no problem. I am going to write down this one as our answer, okay. So the last one now I am going to solve is activity number 8 of question number 1. We need to square of 1007. How can we square it? By using the formula. Look, I am going to solve this question number 8, sub question number 8 actually. This question number 8. Solution is the square of 1007 is nothing but the square of 1007. So how can we create the formula? How can we write down the formula in 1007 whole square? We can write down 1000 as our 1007 as our 1000 plus 7, because 1007 makes 1007. It will be whole square. I write down 1000 plus 7 in the place of 1007. Now we can write down the formula, because this is our a now and this 7 is our b. A plus b whole square formula is nothing but a square plus twice a into b plus b square. Now it's a simple calculation. It's 1000 square, that means 1 triple 0 and another triple 0, plus 2 multiply 7, it's 14, and there are 3 zeros, plus 7 square means 7 multiply 7, so 7 sevens are 49. Now it's a simple addition there, students. It's 0 0 9, it will be 9, 4 0 0, it will be 4. Now it's nothing, you have 0 and 0 makes 0, 4 and 0 makes 4, 1 and 0 makes 1, nothing here is 1 0 and a 1. That means 1014049, that means it's 10,14,049 is our square of 1007. This is our answer. Now my dear students, I hope you have understood this one how to solve. I am going to solve question number 2 is simplify this one. Is activity 1 we will solve today for question number 2. It's a simple simplification look at, but it's look very critical. I am going to make it easy. At first, solution of 1. Okay, this given expression is this one. So write it down first, given that, or given expression is 7p plus 3q minus 5r whole square minus 2 into 7p plus 3q minus 5r into 8p minus 4q minus 5r plus sign 8p minus 4q minus 5r whole square. Now look, it's very carefully, we can assume this one as our a and the last one, this one as our b. If we can assume this one, then it will be a square minus 2a b plus b square. It will be a formula of a minus b whole square. Now let let 7p plus 3q minus 5r, that's equal to A, and 8p minus 4q minus 5r, that's equal to our B. So the expression becomes, this one is our A square minus 2, this one is assumed as A, so it will be A, and this one is assumed as B already, plus sign, this one is assumed as B, so B is square sign. Now the expression becomes is A square minus twice AB plus B square. We can write in the formula of A minus B whole square, because A minus B whole square equal to A square minus twice AB plus B square. Now we are going to apply the value. That means we are going to put the value of A and B here, because A's value is this one and B's value is this one. Now put it the value of A and B. A's value is 7p plus 3q minus 5r, this one. And my dear students, now minus sign will be there in front of the value of B. That's why I am going to use the parenthesis. It's very important. When the minus sign occurs, we must use the parenthesis. There will be no mistake then. Okay. Then B's value is 8p minus 4q minus 5r. And using the second bracket, and this is square sign. Now to omit this first bracket, we are applying this minus sign here. Okay, if we apply this minus sign here, all the sign will be exchanged their sign in the opposite direction. That means it will be 7p plus 3q minus 5r minus, that means 8p will take minus sign 8p, 4q will take plus sign 4q, and this 5r will take plus sign is 5r. These are whole square. Now look, it's plus 5r and minus 5r can be omitted. We will have now 7p minus 8p, that's equal to minus p. And also here 3q plus 4q makes plus 7q. The square sign will be there. Now we can apply the formula again of A plus B whole square, that's equal to A square plus 2ab plus B square. A square is minus p here, A square, plus sign 2 into A is a minus sign, that's why I am using parenthesis, minus P, and B is 7Q here, okay, plus B square means 7Q whole square. That's a simple calculation. We can write down the answer again. It's minus P square, that means minus P is multiplied with minus P. Minus P multiply minus P, same sign are multiplied, so it will be positive sign P square, plus sign, it's 2 into minus p, that's why it will be minus sign, because plus sign and minus sign makes opposite sign is multiplied, then the result will be negative. Okay, the opposite signs are multiplied here, so result will be negative. 2 multiply p multiply 7 multiply q, so 2 7s are 14, p and q makes pq. Then the last one, plus sign, 7q square, 7 has the square sign, 7 7s are 49, and q square, so it is bq square. So our answer of this simplification is p square minus 14pq plus 49q square. This is our result, my dear students. I hope you have understood my today's lecture, how to square and how to simplify. Now I am going to give you the homework. Today's first homework is homework number 1 is exercise 3.1. You will solve activity number sub-question number 5 of question number 1 and sub-question number 2 of question number 2, and you must submit your HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.